welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along, we're back out here on the 20,000 square foot single story house going in the Temecula wine country. We've been waiting on trusses to show up. We had some show up and I was out of town for a few weeks doing some military orders. And I just got back and I wanted to catch some of the filming here. But you can see down below, that's another one of our truss packages that showed up. You know, because of coronavirus, everything's been taking a while to get here. So we waited about an extra 10 weeks or so for these trusses. But the guys are here now, loading the trusses on the building. Okay, you can see there's a lot of different pitch changes. That's a 12 and 12 right there. You can see some different detail that's going back here on the back portion of the house. But yeah, we're moving right along on this project. My framer is really getting a lot done here. I mean, this thing is huge and there's a lot involved. And this guy's the best in the business, you know, that's why I use him. And so these guys are up here rolling the trusses right now. You can see them up here behind me. And you can see that they've got this sheeted already. They have the dormers done. They have a lot of nice detail on the dormers. Some detail on the front of the house right here. Go back here and check it out. So this whole coronavirus thing has been really holding us up on a lot of projects. And we have a lot of projects coming up. Material costs, lumber's up 208%. So, you know, people who wanted to build a year ago and pushed it off until now, well, right now probably wasn't the best idea when it comes around to building because of the cost of materials. And not so much just the cost of materials, getting materials has been very difficult. You know, on one of our other projects, if you've been following along, we have a 4,000 square foot home going up in wine country. We waited over 2 months for doors and windows on that. And then when they showed up, a lot of them were not correct. So it was another month and a half to get the correct ones out there. If you're into building or if you're gonna build something and you order materials, check with the vendor, double check and triple check and make sure that the order is correct. You know, we had the order correct, but they screwed it up in the shipping. So that cost us over a month and a half, actually almost another 2 months. So right now, getting materials, electrical conduit is very hard to come by right now. Most of the suppliers around here are out of electrical conduit. So for us to do our underground facilities has been very difficult. You know, we have a lot of utility trenches that we have to put in, but getting the materials is not easy right now. And a lot of places are telling us that they probably won't have electrical conduit until the end of April or maybe even the end of May. No big deal. We have a lot of other stuff to do, like the framing on this thing. Still going to be a while to finish this up. You can see behind me right here, the RV garage is already sheeted, completely sheeted. And show you over here, the guys are up here rolling the trusses right now, getting ready to load this small packet of trusses up on the roof so they can roll those. But things are moving right along on this project. Fortunately, there's no more rain in the forecast. You know, we got a couple days of rain here and it turned into a muddy mess. You know, not really wanting to complain about the rain because other states have it a lot worse than we do out here in California. I think we get rain like half a day a year. So that's what's happening out here. I just wanted to catch a quick video before I head up to one of our other projects. We're gonna go ahead and get these trusses loaded right now. So when the guys are done loading those trusses and rolling those trusses out over there, they can start on this packet. So we'll go inside and check it out. Go in here and take a look at what's happening. Nice weather today, like 89 degrees, 85, 89. You can see over here, these trusses get rolled up and they go in these hangers across this span here. He's nailing off the hanger right now. And then these trusses roll up and they sit in those hangers. Those are 2 foot on center. go here and take a look at the great room. You can see what's happening up here. I pointed this out in a previous video. So this is all an understack. You have the rafters above it on the ridge beam. Then you have these giant beams underneath it, and those are going to be open beam trusses. So those will get all framed in, and I'll catch that in a later video. So he's going to roll the truss up over here. He'll nail the block on this end. He'll nail the blocks on this end after he stands it in the hanger. Okay, so I'm gonna head out of here, head back up to the 4,000 square foot custom home. We've been waiting for our combo inspection. If you watched the previous video, we were lathing and setting exterior doors. The lathing is completed. My guys are up there right now putting the corner metal on. I'll cover that when I get up there, but tomorrow we have combo inspection. After combo inspection, we can go ahead and put in our insulation and then drywall. Okay, let's go out front here and take a look. You can see this house has a lot of different pitch changes in the trusses. A lot of different detail going on. Got a nice arched entryway. More dormers up on the top. Okay, that's it. Framing's come along really well on this house. Hopefully you liked the video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you can learn something by watching our projects that'll help you with your project. Have a good day.